Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to me in the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to the chat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap on the concepts which I covered in our yesterday's session. Yesterday we started discussing about servlet programming. Of course, day before yesterday only we wrote a small program on servlet, but yesterday we try to display the data directly in the web page from the servlet by using print writer class. Yes. So yesterday I gave you this task here. Just a sec. Okay. All right. I gave you this task yesterday. If you did not complete it, feel free. Absolutely okay. Go ahead, please. Okay, down. All others completed? Yes. Okay. Then I'll do one thing. Anyways, I just want to write this program for once. Okay. And after that, we'll try to go with, I'll be giving you one more task for you. Is that okay? First, I want to write the same program, which you already did that. Okay. Online students, I want you to kindly please respond. Is that okay? Why? Because, first time, some people may not be doing this. So let me just try to do this for one time. Okay. Now, coming here. All right. So just let me try to get back here. Okay. App 2. So right now we need to create one more application, new dynamic web project. And please try to help me with the code. App 3, 4.0. Give a click on next. Next. Select check the, please check the checkbox. Generate web.xml. Give a click on finish. Okay. Now after that, we need to add the jar file. Which jar file we need to add? Servlet API. So build path, add external jars, Servlet API, apply and close, done. After that, okay. Now main, right click on WebInf, right click on WebInf. No, we need to give a right click on web app. Right click, new. Let me go with HTML and I'm just trying to go something like index index.html. Give a click on next and finish. Okay. Now here I just want to use the same thing. Okay. This is which data? EMPLOY employee data. Now I'm going with EMP servlet employee name. Oh, sorry. EMPLOY employee name. After that, employee ID. Just a second. Let me, employee name, employee ID, employee salary, employee EXP. Let me go with the experience. Okay. Now, employee name text. This is E name, employee ID, EID, employee sal, ESAL, and after that, employee experience, EEXP. Just let me try to write like this. Okay. Now, after that, okay. Now, after that, input type equal to submit and value display. I'm just trying to write like this as the same. Okay. Now, coming to Java resources. right click on SRC. Let us try to create a package. And here I'm just trying to go with com dot pack one, give a click on finish. And obviously I need to take a class and I'm going with EMP employee servlet. Give a click on finish. Okay. After that, please help me. EXTNDS extends generic servlet. Okay. Extends generic servlet. And you know the reason why we are getting an error. Basically, we need to override the service method. Okay. Overriding the service method. Okay. This is REQ and RES. You already know it is not mandatory to give like REQ and RES. We can go with RX0 and RX1. But for our understanding purpose, I'm going with REQ and RES. Okay. Now, after this, what we need to do? We need to basically get the data from this index.html. Please tell me yes or no. Okay, let's go from here. Please tell me the query. Request dot get parameter and how many I need to write basically. Okay, copy 2, 3, 4. And you know that return type is string, string string. What is that? First one is e underscore name. I can directly write same e name also. As is e name also I can write. But just for change, I'm writing like this. We'll be able to identify. That's it. Not more than that. Okay, e name. After that, next one. Employee ID. Okay, string e underscore ID. After that, employee salary and experience. But if you look at the question, I told you we need to check the experience. If the experience is greater than or equal to 5, we need to increase the salary by 10%. So, right now we are having this data in the form of string. I need to convert the data into intent double. Salary, I want to convert into use in if else conditions. I hope you understand the point here, right? So what I'm going to do here, first I'm going to take my salary, double double e underscore sal, and here equal to into e underscore experience. Now, obviously, okay, just first let me try to go like this is e name, this is eid, this is e-cell, and this is e-experience. Okay. Now, obviously, you know why we are getting an error. Why we are getting an error? What is the return type for this get parameter method? String. And where we are actually storing double. So basically what we need to do, parsing. Okay, we'll do one thing. Let me just try to cut integer dot parseint. I'm just going to write like this. Sir, why can't we use double? Of course we can use double also, no problem. But this is implicit typecasting. Finally, easily we can do that, no problem. Okay, same here also. Cut integer dot parseint. I'm just trying to write like this. Done. Now I got my data. After that, you know that we need to use print writer class. Could you please try to tell me the code? Don't start from right side of the equal to. Please start from response dot get writer. Okay, equal to pw belongs to print writer. After that, you know that we need to set the content type. Could you please tell me the code for that? Response dot set content type set to content type. What is it? Text or TXT, text or HTML. Okay. Yes. Okay. Done. Text or HTML. All right. Now let's try to print the data. Just simply, I'm going to write pw dot print ln. And now, okay, just a second, copy print ln. First, I'm going to write simply h1. I want to get the data a little bit bigger and I want to get the data in the center, CNTR center. Okay, let me just try to close here. Oh, just a second. I'm going to, please give me a minute. Okay, just copy. Come on. First, I need to CNTR close the center tag. After that, close my H1. Okay. Now inside this, first, okay, you know what? I just want to display employee data, just like this. Now after that, PW print ln. First, what I need to display? Employee name plus name. After that, just a second. You know what? Here, let me just try to go like BR also. Okay. Plus BR and BR break statements. Employee name. First, employee name. After that, employee ID. I'm going to write EID. Now, before displaying employee salary, I need to check the experience. So what I'm gonna do, if E underscore experience is greater than or equal to 5, greater than or equal to 5. Now, what I told you to increase the salary by 10%. So E sal equal to E sal, E sal plus E sal into 0.1 into, just let me try to write 0.1. Just let me try to write like this. Is that clear? Please respond. Now, you know what? Just let me try to get it like this. Now, if this is working, then I just want to display this data. Uh, Let me just try to write like this. Else, directly, I want to print like this. This is employee SALARY salary, and here also SALARY salary, just like that. Then completed. And after that, you know, I'll just try to display employee experience. Just employee experience. Sorry. I'm just going to keep it like this. That's it. Done. Completed. Hopefully everything is right. Let's try to execute. You know what? I'm forgetting something. Could you please tell me what I'm forgetting right now? I'm sorry. Are you speaking about annotation? Absolutely correct. Okay. Now here at the rate web servlet and double quotes slash URL. Please don't forget the URL. And what is the URL I have given? EMP servlet. I'm just trying to go with EMP servlet. That's it, done. Now, of course, you know that we need to go with index.html. We need to display in the in the web.xml, index.html, it's already there. Let me just try to remove remaining. If I'm not removing also, okay, no problem. Nothing will happen, right? Okay, index.html and done. That's it. Let me just try to execute. Right click, run as run on server and select the server. Give a click on next. No need to keep remaining applications in the server. Unnecessarily, it will take more time to compile remaining projects. I'm just keeping only app 3. Give a click on finish. Okay, yes. And let's see. Server started. Employee name, employee ID, employee salary. You know what? I'll just try to go like 10,000. Let me make it simple. Employee experience. First, I'll go with 3 only. Let's see. Display, same. Salary, same. What if I am going for one more time? Just let me try to go like salary. Now, employee experience 10. If I'm displaying, is my salary got incremented? Done. As simple as this. I hope it's clear, guys. Online students, if anyone is having any doubt here, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat for me. Why? Because I'm going to give you one more small task right now. You should be able to do this. Is it done? Please respond to the chat for me. If anyone did not completed this task, it is on the board. Feel free to take screenshot. Absolutely okay. No problem. If anyone did not complete this task, it's on the board. Feel free to take a screenshot, please. Go ahead. Sushant, can we use parse double here? Yeah, of course you can use parse double. Why not? See, for all wrapper classes, you are having parse methods except character. Parse char is not there. Okay. Parse int, parse byte, parse long, parse float, parse double, parse boolean. Yeah. But for parse char, it's not there. Okay, buddy? Okay. Now, as I said, I'll be giving you one more task for you. So please, one more task. Go ahead. This is one more task. Go ahead. Now tell me one thing. This is one form. This is another form. Both these are present in the same page. Single HTML. Start. Both are present inside the same page. Go ahead. Now I'm not going to give the code for this. Figure this out. Very simple. Right now, here, this is one form. Just create one more form. That's it. Go ahead. Create. Please create. Shruti, you're asking, sir, output for both forms also on the same page. You will not be able to get the output both in the same page. I mean, you cannot see the output for both these simultaneously at the same page. Remember that. Satyarana is saying program can't run. No, that's a problem. That is, this error occurred means you need to sort it out, buddy. I already told you, if you are getting a message like several ports are running, what I said, your server did not stop. So please go to C drive, Tomcat, stop the server and then start it again. You already know the concept. Just try to implement it. When I say your name is equal to your name means your name. Okay, like what is your name? For example, your name is Shrikant. So username should be equal to Shrikant, like that. And Satyanarayana, sir, I also tried but not working. Okay, what you want me to do? Understand? You tried. Now you tell me what you want me to do. Without looking at the laptop, I cannot help, na? Not online, physical. I should be working on the laptop. Satyanarayana, my classes will not be available in KBHP. It will be there in Amirpet. Yeah. Buddy, what you're doing? Just keep your hands on the board. Then think. You know what is a form. You know the servlet. You know the URL pattern. Go ahead. It's not like I should be saying. It's more like you should be knowing how to do this. Online students, if anyone completed, please do let me know. I already said that when you're speaking about advanced Java, imagination. You need to imagine the output and then you need to write the code. As of now, I don't advise you to use CSS as of now. Like, don't go for any div folders like that. Right now, our current concept is executing the code. That's it. There will be a time where you need to use CSS. At the time, I let you know. At the time, I'll let you know. You need to how you need to use. I mean, I'll ask you to use CSS. At the time, you can use it. No problem. But right now, please concentrate on the code as of now. Please don't waste your time by using divs, all this. Just concentrate on the code as of now. Simple, plain form. Get the data and please try to send the data to Servlet. Process the data. That's it. As of now. Up to now, no one completed. Nearly 45 minutes time done. Online students, one more time, I'm requesting if anyone completed, kindly please do message me in the chat. Online students, if possible, can you please try to message me in the chat? Are you guys coding? Like just a simple message. If possible, kindly please try to message me in the chat. I'm not getting any response from your end. I know you're coding, but just please try to give a small heads up. Are you doing it? I know you are busy, but please make sure to message me once. Please message me once. Come on, come on. Okay, working on .java file currently. Okay, sure. Go ahead. Okay, that is good. That is good. Please go ahead. Carry on, guys. Carry on, carry on. Please carry on. Go ahead. Yeah, Infra. Good. Yeah, Ifra, that is good. That is good. That is good. Fine. How many of you done? Raise hands, please. Offline students done? Completed? May I? Mm. One at a time. No, not done. Sort it out. Sort. Anyone else completed? Done? Both. Please come. Let me check. Only one person completed. Only one. One in offline and one in online. Feel free to ask if you're having any doubts. Hmm. You will not. Yeah, Pranita, continue the second part also, please. Yeah, yeah, please come to the second part. Only one person completed, offline students. Others, I know you are coding. Absolutely okay. Take time, no problem. Okay. Okay, let me ask you a simple question. In order to complete this task, how many HTML you need to create? Speak out. One HTML. How many servlets? Think. There is the difference. How many servlets? Two servlets. You need to create two servlets. Each servlet will be responding to that particular form. Two servlets. That is the difference. I want you to think about that. One servlet will be responding to one form. Right now, you're having two forms. So, two servlets. You should be knowing that idea first. You should be getting that idea. And yeah, continue after 5 minutes. Again, I'll reveal one more point. Feel free to ask me if you are having any doubts. Please. What's it up? Hmm? Start, start, start the second servlet. And sometimes, if you are using two servlets, also you will do one common mistake. And due to that mistake, your server also will not start. If anyone is having, I mean, if you are having two servlets and if your server is also not starting, please come to me. You already wrote two servlets and your server is not starting. Please come to me once. I'll let you know why your server is not starting. if you want to compare two strings, what we need to use two strings. One more time, I am repeating. If I want to compare the contents of two strings, what I need to use? Double equal to operator or equals method? Equals method. Remember that? If anyone completed, please come and show me the task. I want to see the code. Please come and show me. I should be knowing how many of you guys completed. Then only I can proceed. Otherwise, what is the use if I am just saying the concept? When you added CSS also, execute. That is good. If you're making it as a table, then it will be better. Table. Yes, yes. That would be better, but fine. I'm okay, satisfied. Two people completed. Done. Yeah. Code. Show me Eclipse. So where is Eclipse? Yep. Mm. Fine. Three people completed. Girl, one completed. What is happening? If you're having any doubts, please come and show me. There's nothing wrong in asking. And online students also only two to three people. What about others? Nearly out of 150 students, only five people completed. One more time, I am saying, if you are having any doubts, come show me your code. Tell me what is the problem.